That's nice.
Alright, what's up YouTube? It's Danny. I just got home from work. It is Friday and I got videos to record and I got things to do and blah blah blah. So that being said, Prime Day had this for like 20 bucks. It is called the Crosstour Car Recorder CR250. It's a dash cam. So we're gonna open it up real quick and then we're gonna go to the truck and install it. I figure like my grandpa, since it's his truck, we need a dash cam. He's getting older. And in case anything happens, you know, heaven forbid anything happens, we're gonna have it on camera. So normally this thing goes for like 40 or 60, I forget the exact price, but it was 29 during the Prime sale, which is now over. This is actually, I was going to record this earlier, but it's been one work week. So there's the actual device itself, a little camera, or that's a little screen. The camera is right there. So, and then there should be a clip in this accessories. I'm sorry, that didn't autofocus very well. But yeah, we're gonna open up this box. And in here, get a USB cable for transferring files, as well as the car power adapter, as well as the mounts with adhesive. So that's really it. Here's one more close-up of the device. There you go, now it's focused. So I'm gonna go ahead and solder that up, and gonna grab the Sony X3000. Love this camera. One of the best cameras really you can buy for action cameras. Gonna grab that, get a tripod, and go out to the truck. We're gonna see how this works. So, see you in a bit. Okay, so I've got it on. I'm not sure how well the adhesive is gonna stick. I mean, it seems to be sticking for now, but we all know adhesive tends to fall off if it's too warm or too cold. So right now it's pretty humid. It's in the 90s right now, even at 7 o'clock at night. So it's currently recording, so we're just gonna go ahead and go for a ride around the city and see what we can find, you know, see what's up. So here we go.
I don't know if turn off it. I'm not sure if there's a microphone on this or not, but if there is, I'm now talking, testing the audio. And apologies if you can hear the air conditioner, it is on high. But if I turn it down, I wonder how it sounds now. I guess we'll find out in post. You could have totally went on red, but okay. We'll just sit here all day. You can go, yeah. That's nice.
Alright, so I just got back not long ago. Put the memory card out of the, I took it out of the dash cam, put it in the Dell XPS, which, by the way, upcoming video, look for that. Yes, I have a Dell XPS laptop, not cheap, definitely needed for my work. However, and I just reviewed the footage, decent, very decent microphone, and this coming out of, you know, I'm hearing the footage out of the XPS's baby speakers. So very, pardon the hiccups, very impressed. And the footage is good too. Like it's definitely a bowed fisheye lens, but that's what you want really, because you're trying to see all around the front of the vehicle. So definitely recommend the I think it's called the Crosstour. Yeah, Crosstour. So I will link it below on Amazon, despite me not making money from these Amazon links because Amazon doesn't like to pay Danny. So another video. Anyway, very happy. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you all in the next one. Have a good day. Peace.